First, initial meeting with client. For the first time when we receive an inquiry from the client, we personally visit to the client's place and try to understand various factors of the event. If to list some of them: function, budget, choice, any specific requirement, design, etc. This phase helps us to understand the requirement from client's perspective. With this, it becomes easier for us to plan for the resources. Second, team meeting. Post gathering all the information from client, we then put the requirement in front of other team members. We then create a map towards the goal and bifurcate the whole event requirements into subgroups. These subgroups are further allocated to the respective team member. Third, team in action. Now each team member has some specific area to focus into, which leads to perfection within the committed time, be it finding out vendors for quote, meeting with the vendors for negotiation, or something else. The way work was divided and subgrouped, now it's time to regroup the same. Now we have all the required information to be presented to the client. Fourth, quote to client. Once we have all the required information, quote, availability, etc., lead of the event will collaborate and present all the possible varieties by cost to the client. Client now have the feasibility to choose the options of vendors which will fit into their budget and fulfill their requirement. Fifth, examining the place. Once client makes the choice, now it's time for the client to visit and confirm the location. Our team member accompanies the client at the time of location site visit, food tasting, and others. Sixth, planning starts here. Once the vendors and budget is finalized, team gets engaged to plan for the event. Team plans about every minute details, be it decoration, theme, dress code, games, scheduling, entry of the client, and everything. Once all the ingredients are in, team plans to add its Planovents special surprise element. Planovents. Out of the box, into the circle.